Hello, everybody. This is Risa3D, and I'm your TA for this summer under Dr. Azzawi. This video is all about the term project in Risa3D. I wanna help you out to start up with the project, and the plan that I'm gonna do will be a little different than that has been in the project description. But you can always uh, take the hint from this video because it will have most of the items that will be needed in your term project. Okay, I also have created one document and I will send you that as well along with this video. If you go to the document, the first step is to open the Risa3D. The interface looks like the one that is right now in the screen. After that, go and click the settings over here and then give the model title. I will write project under Azzawi, company designer. Give your name, top number. You can give something one or something like that. After that, um, go to the solutions and everything should be good. Codes, everything codes are there, and then for concrete, just toggle up and give the latest one over here. You go to the concrete over here, everything is good, and then I'm sorry for the seismic. If you are doing for the seismic zone, you need to change the codes from here and then put all the variables over here. But for now, I'm not gonna move into detail with the seismic, and then click on apply and then OK. Now after this, go to the let me show you again solution. Okay, that's good, and then also the code is good. Now um, make sure that in the concrete the minimum and maximum steel is 1 to 8%. This can be changed, but for now we're good. Now apply and then OK, and then click on the modify the drawing grid and snap points over here, and then um, for now I'm gonna do a two-story building with two bays. So what I'm gonna do is 20 feet, and you can write so at the rate one means one bay of 30 feet. You can see the unit over here, but what I'm gonna do is 20 comma and 20. That means we will have the two dimensions of 20 feet and 20 feet, two bays. After that, what we will do is 2 at the rate 10 feet in the y-axis, two stories of 10 feet high, and then so according to your project description you can change the number of bays and number of uh, the base the grid length. After that we click on OK, and then this window comes up. Now go to we start drawing the columns. Go to here, draw new members, and then go to the concrete over here, and then after that go to the size over here. We're gonna make the rectangular. If it's a circular column then you can do it here, but we're doing rectangular over here. I'm doing 12 by 12 inch, 1 foot by 1 foot of the column dimensions, and then do OK. Do not forget to make a column over here, and then design this. That's fine. Concrete. So this will be 3000 normal with concrete. If this is a different one, then we will have to change it over here and then to apply. Now we have uh, the material property defined for the concrete. for the concrete column. Now we will want to place it this in the grid. Do it over here. Left click, again left click. Then when you're done, do the right click. Now again, the same thing over here. Yes, left click, right click, left click, left click, left click, right click. We're done with the columns. Now, if you want to see the materials properties over here, you can go here, and then if you go, okay, for concrete 3000 normal width, everything is given here. It's already in the software, so no need to worry about that one. Now, um, we also need to define the beams. So draw new members, define them as a beam. There will be 20, 12 by 12, and then apply. So now we're gonna draw the beams. Again, beams will be horizontal. So left click, left click, and then right click. On the top horizon, left click, left click, right click. So we're done in this one. In one grid, we have created the columns and the beams. We have defined the beams and columns with different uh, materials. Now we can also toggle the views like this. Over here, this way, you can see uh, different version of the connections of the beams and columns over here. So this point means there is a connection. Now, okay, after that we need to define the boundary conditions. We need to make them fixed at the bottom. Now click on this fixed and then apply. So this fixed will be over here, over here, and over here. After we're done, right click. Now, after that, uh, we need to, if you go to the isometric view over here, let me show you. Okay, okay, over here. So you can see this view, right? So this is one the columns and beams in one um, grids, let's say. Now we need to copy this to two different grids as well. Now what we have to do is make the entire model selected. To select all the model over here, let me see. Okay, here. So if you click over here on the left corner, this will make the model selected. It's selected. Now we need to make the copies, right? We need to copy this to other grids as well. Now what we need to do is make copies of currently selected part of the model using the offset over here, and then this will appear. Now what you're gonna do is you need to transfer it to the pixel because this is an XY. After you do this, apply. So you're gonna see the two different grids with columns and beams copied. Now we need to connect them as well again with the beams. So go to draw new members over here. After that, go to beam over here at the drop down. We're good right now, and then click on apply. After that, this cursor appears. You go over here, and then over here, right click, beam, beam, right click. We're done. After this is done, we need to copy these beams to these grids as well, right? Now what we do is we unselect the grids, everything we unselect. Okay, and then what we have to do is draw a line through the beams and plates to be selected. We have the option over here. Okay, okay, draw a line through the beams and plates to be unselected. Okay, there should be something. Okay, draw a line through the beams and plates to be selected. So we need to select the beam, so we need to click it over here. This kind of line appears. Just roll it over here. This is selected. Now this needs to be copied as well, right? This needs to be copied to the other grids. So again, go through, make the copies of selected, and then go to x increments. We need 2 and hit -20, right? Is that correct? Yeah. Now apply. I think I missed out something. Let's Control G and then copy. My bad. This one is the one. So I've had your Z as well. So I need to remove the G over here. So yeah, 2 after 20. And then it goes. Yeah, now we're good. Now this appears. Make the entire model. Select it again. Select the model over here. Okay, this is the thing. Now we need to draw the slabs as well, right? Way to is draw the new members. Okay, over here. And then um, no, not this one. Draw, not this one. Draw new plates over here. And then we'll put our slab thickness as 6 for now. Concrete grade is the same, that's fine. After that, we do apply and then we put the slabs this way, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our slab. Now, this comes up after this. We unselect the model and then what we do is select or unselect based on the other criteria over here. We need to the main aim is to select the plates and then go to the coordinates. After that, because this is in the second floor, we need to type in 10 and 10. After that, it's selected to the apply. Okay. After that, um, okay, over here, the slab as well. So we have the slab as well in the second floor. Now what we're gonna do is click on select the entire model. Okay, here's our model. This is the two-story floor with two different bays. This will differ according to your project statement. Now we need to apply the loads, right? Dead load and live load and with wind and seismic. Go to the spreadsheets and then go to the basic load cases and then we see this kind of stuffs. Add the dead load right here. Dead load. Here will be live load and then here will be wind load. Is in the place of seismic zone, then you need to do that as well. Dead load, live load, and then this will change this to. So in wind load, you have to be careful. It will be WLX. Yeah, that's it. And then after this, just close the box, dialog box, and then we need to insert the loads, right? We need to put the wind load, and then do the insert, and then surface plate loads. This will be a live load, right? In the direction of um, y, right? Because this is a wind load. Uh, this is the on the top of the floor. So let's put the magnitude as minus 0.06 KSF, right? Oh, KSF is there already. So fine. And then apply load by clicking the plates individually. Apply, and then click on the topmost floor. Stop. After that, what we need to do is we need to mesh the components as well, right? So what meshing does is it helps to distribute the forces to the slab properly. For that, we need to go. Okay. Um, Split properties. Okay, this one over here. Yeah. Go to quad submesh, and then 4 and 4. That's fine. Applies individual. That's all fine. Apply, and then the load has been the slab has been split it off. Now click unselect over here, right? And then click select based on criteria. Now we're going to select the second floor. We have our second floor selected. Apply. Okay, we're done over here. We have to miss the second floor as well. Go to the other new plates, and then quad submesh. Apply, and then apply to this one. Okay, this is also done. Now, control. You can also press Control A to select the whole model. After that, we need to put the model. The modeling is complete. Now, the next aim is to put the wind loader on, right? So for that, go to Insert, and then go to Area Member Load, and then go to Wind Load, Basic Wind Load, and then the distribution will be two-way. That's fine. Load direction will be X, right? It will come from the X direction, and this will be minus 0.02, right? Apply, and then um, we need to put in the a frame for applying the wind load over here. Yeah, this is done. Now the next step is to do the load combinations. What we have to do is go to spreadsheets, and then go to load combinations over here, and then click on the okay load combination. Here is the LC generator over here, right on the top. Click on that one. Go to the library tab. Everything is fine. Now go to click generate, and then again go to the wind one. Click generate. Uh, Now, okay, yeah, that's fine. Close. After that, we got like 16 different load combinations. Um, for the okay description. So this is our load cases. Now, what you have to do is after this is okay. Go to LC generator. Go to wind X and Z. My bad. Okay, and then generate. So we will have some more cases. Yeah. Now we also manually input the load cases over here. For that, just go to right click of the row over here. We can click right and then insert new line, right, combines combo. Something like that. Then you can, okay, over here, my bad. Okay, do the right click and then insert new line, combo, or something like anything. And then it should be dead load, dead load, dead load. Okay, the factor will be 1.6 for example. Verify this one. Okay, over here. Okay, live load, and then okay, here we 1.2, right? And it's done. That's fine. Okay, now load combination. Okay, spreadsheets. After we're done with this one, um, we're done. We have created the model. We have done the we've assigned the wind loads and everything. We have put them in the model as well. Now it's time to run the model. Go to perform the analysis and design. It should be over here. Perform the analysis and design over here. The load combination should be combo. That's fine. After that, click on solve. There will be some error messages. That's fine. You can ignore them at this time. After that, go to the model display options over here. What is that? Okay, no, yeah, over here. And then over here you can see like the deflections, load combos. This one magnification factor 100, and then apply, and then okay. So you can save over here. Similarly, if you go to the model option again, model display options, just go to the joints, dot solid reflected shape. Okay, joints. Yeah. So now you can find the properties or the deflection properties for each and every joints and members from here. Joints, member plates. Go on members, and then you can see the color codings and then compression. So this will show us the color coding of the compression members. We can see it over here. Again, go to the member option, plates, my bad, members, and then go to wireframe, and then okay, label, and then apply. Okay, so we have the name over here. Now, if you want to see something for M1, go to model option. Oh no, not the model option. Go to the results tab, and then go to the members, and then do the members detail over here. Okay, so there will be uh, the the properties, the final design and everything for this member. So specific design members will be done. So yeah, that's all the basics of Risa. So the first step that we did was creation of the model over here. We created our model using the grids. After that, what we did is we assigned the loads. There is a little toggle up between the model selected and unselected. After that, after assigning the loads and members, we put the loads into the members on the top of the slab and on the like the wind loads and everything. So if you got the seismic load, you have to do that as well. After that, what we did is we run the model from here. Okay, where was that? Over here. After that, my bad, you selected the load combination and then you run the model. After running the model, what happened was you tried to see the results for each and every members. So yeah, that's it. And for the project, you'll have to identify the critical members and design as such according to the project statement. I will be there to help you when you need. Okay, that was for today. Anything, if anything comes up, yeah, you may always write up a message on Teams and in an email.